everybody, welcome to my channel Learn with Harpreet. So here is Harpreet ma'am with you for educational videos. Yes na? So today I have taken class 4th Gintara. This is a maths book for class 4 children. So क्या करेंगे बच्चों, इसका लेसन फर्स्ट मैंने जब लिया तो इसका आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस बुक मैं आपके लिए ये बुक्स पूरी स्टार्ट करूंगी फ्रॉम लेसन नंबर 1. सो लेसन नंबर 1 के अकॉर्डिंग हम चलेंगे और जो इसमें है मैम वैसे वैसे भरवाएंगी और आप इसको एज अ प्रैक्टिस अपनी नोटबुक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, जिनके यहाँ ये बुक्स अवेलेबल नहीं है वो भी कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज ऑल मैथ्स इज जनरल. नंबर नेम्स, राइटिंग इन वर्ड्स, एवरीथिंग इज जनरल. अब मैं इसमें क्या है चैप्टर 1 में लेसन 1 में वो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं. मैथ्स एक साथ करेंगे हम लोग, लेकिन उससे पहले आपको क्या करना है, मैम का चैनल लाइक करना है, वॉच करना है, शेयर करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है. यस, तो चलिए क्लास 4 की मैथ्स की हम लोग फर्स्ट चैप्टर की 2 एक्सरसाइजेज आज करते हैं और फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट 2 एक्सरसाइजेज करेंगे. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच टू मिस एनी वीडियो. कोई वीडियो मिस मत करिएगा. The first question is write in words and the second question is write in figures. पहले क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि हमें इसको जो फिगर दिया है, न्यूमरल दिया है, इसको वर्ड्स में लिखना है. We have to write this in words. And the second thing is saying write in figures. This is written in words. We have to write it out in figures. So the first thing what I would like to tell you is पहले हम Indian place value chart समझ लें. Indian place value chart हमें इससे पहले समझा दिया जाता है. According to that place value हम इनकी places को नाम देते हैं. We give name to their places. Yes. So in Indian place value chart, this is ones, then comes tens, then comes hundreds, then comes thousands, then comes 10,000s, then comes lakhs, then comes 10 lakhs. Okay, so what we do is before 3 places we will put a comma. Okay, then before 2 places we will put a comma because this is one's house. ये किसका घर है? ये ones का घर है. ones, tens, hundreds इसमें रहते हैं. Okay, this is the house of thousands. ये thousands का घर है, इसमें thousands रहते हैं, thousands और 10,000. उसके बाद lakhs का घर आता है. ठीक है, उसमें lakhs के हाउस में lakhs और 10 lakhs रहते हैं. इसी तरह से हम सबको कॉमा लगा के जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे इट बिकम्स इजी टू राइट इन वर्ड्स. जैसे कि I'll tell you, जैसे ये ones, tens, hundreds है. अब सबसे पहले I'll put a comma here. Here I'll put a comma. Then I will write now what is its number names. जिसकी जगह पे कुछ नहीं होता है, वहाँ जीरो लिखा होता है, उस प्लेस की नंबर नेम जो है उसको नहीं कंसिडर की जाती. ये देखिए 4. Now ones, tens, hundreds मैंने कॉमा लगाया तो ones और tens पे है मेरा 8 और 9. hundreds पे कुछ नहीं है. That means hundreds इसमें तो आना ही नहीं है. उसके बाद 4 है जो कि thousands प्लेस पे है. ये कौन सी प्लेस पे? thousands. तो मैं स्टार्ट करूंगी लिखना. I'll start writing 4,000s. See, I'll start writing 4,000s. Zero means hundreds की प्लेस पे कुछ नहीं है. That means and 89. बस I'll write 89 because इसमें जीरो की hundreds की प्लेस पे कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए hundreds का कुछ नहीं लिखा जाएगा. Next is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. अब यहाँ thousands के घर पे 2 लोग बैठे हैं, 2 और 3. So that makes what? 32,000. क्योंकि ये 2 thousands पे है, 3 10,000s प्लेस पे है. So इसमें लिखेंगे 32,000s. उसके बाद 4 मेरा hundreds की प्लेस पे है, HTO 410. ओके, सॉरी, एंड 32,000 and 410. Okay, after that ones, tens, hundreds again you put a comma and now I think it is more clear to you. 4 is in 10,000 place, 9 is in thousands place, so this becomes 49 because 4 in 10,000 and 9 in thousand place, so 49,000. So this becomes 49,000 and what is in hundreds place, children? 5. So 569 and 569. So this is the in number name, written in number name. Now ones, tens, hundreds place is empty. See, and thousands place is also empty, but in 10,000 there is 5. So this makes 50,000. Yes or no? Because in thousands place there is no digit. So here it becomes, this house becomes 50,000. What it becomes? 50,000. So we are going to write here 50,000, and there is nothing in hundreds, so because there is 0, so we are going to write and 79, because hundreds place is empty. So we are going to write this. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now 85, this is in 1,005, 10,000, 8. So we will write 85,000, 85,000s. Now, and tell me what is in hundreds place. I'm sorry. In hundreds place, what is in hundreds place? In hundreds place, there is 5 hundreds. So it is going to be and 596. 596. Okay, this is going to be for this. Now ones, tens, hundreds, again we put a comma. 10,000, 1,000, again we put a comma, and there is something in lakhs place. There is one member sitting in the lakhs house. See which member is sitting in the lakhs house? 1. lakh के घर पे कौन बैठा हुआ है? 1 बैठा हुआ है. So what we will write is here 1 lakh. 1 lakh. अब यहाँ पे 10,000 पे कुछ नहीं है, तो 10,000 में कुछ नहीं आएगा. 2,000, 1 lakh, 2,000, and अब बताइए 899, बिकॉज 800 की प्लेस पे है. सो 899. ओके, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, 1,000, 10,000 एंड लैक्स. अब यहाँ पे टेंस पे कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे लैक्स के घर पे हु इज सिटिंग, विच नंबर इज सिटिंग? 5 इज सिटिंग. सो वी विल राइट 5 lakhs 43,000, बिकॉज यहाँ पे थाउजेंड्स में 3 है और 10,000 में 4 है. सो दिस बिकम्स 43,000. okay, and now this is 7 is in hundreds place and there is nothing in tens place. So we will write 701 and 701. Okay, now this ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Now see, all nines are sitting in their houses. Ones may be 9, tens 9, hundreds 9, thousands 9, 10,000s 9, lakhs also 9. So we are going to write for this 9 lakhs 99,000. See, in thousands house we have 99,000s. And what about this 999? Because in hundreds place also we have 9, and in tens and ones also we have 9 and 9, so it becomes 999. Okay, so this was how to write in words. I hope it is very clear for a given figure in Indian place value chart how to write. Now we switch over to write in figures, children. Similarly, what we will do here, 7,070. Now we are doing the opposite of this, but how we will do this? We know this is a place of ones, tens, hundreds, then we put a comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, then lakhs. Okay, so 7,070. Start from here left, then we go towards there. Okay, 70. We'll go from here, from the 70 ones place. 70 we will write in the last, and there is nothing in the hundreds place. In the hundreds place there is nothing written in the number name. So 70 will go in the last, that is 7 will take the ones place, because 7 into 10 is 70. So that 7 is going in the tens place. Okay, then 0 in the ones place, because there is nothing in the ones place. Now what about this hundreds place? It is empty, so you put a 0 here. Now 7,000, this is the place of thousand, so this comes here, so we will erase this. So this is the answer, 7,070. Okay, now next is 5,907. So you simply put the places ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s. Now see, 907. In hundreds place we have 9, and in ones place we have 7. There is nothing in tens place. So in 907, when you start from the last, when you start from the left corner, 907 means 7 in the ones place, nothing in the tens place, and 9 in hundreds place, because it is written 9. 5,000. Now 5 is in thousand place, so it is going to come here 5. Now nothing in 10,000, so this is the answer. Yes. Now 87,541. Make the places, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s. Now see, it is written in the last, start from the left, it is written 541. So 541 means 5 is in the hundreds place. So this comes in the hundreds place 5, and 41 shows that 44 tens. So 4 is going to come here because it is 4 tens, and 41. So 1 is in the ones place. Now 87,000, that means in thousands place there is 7, and 87,000 means in 10,000s place it is 8. So this becomes my number. Okay. Now 84,089. I'm going to configure them in the blanks. Now see, when I start from here, it is 89 after 1000. That means starting from the left side, 89. 89 when I start, that means 80. That means 8 tens. So 8 will come in this place, in tens place, and 9. 9 will come in ones place. There is nothing about hundreds place. So in hundreds place, put a big 0. Now 84,000. 84,000 means what? 84,000 means 4 is in thousand place and 8 is in 10,000s place. That is why it becomes 84,000. Okay. Now for the next one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now see, when I start from the left, I see 859. 859. That means in 100 place there is 8. Then 59. 50 means what? 5 is in tens place. So 5 and then 9 is in ones place. 79,000. So that means 79. 7 is in 10,000 place and 9 is in thousands place because it is written 79,000. So this is the way we write in the figures. 8,99,969. So what you will do? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Sorry, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakhs. Now what you will do? From the left, you will see 969. 969 means 9 is in hundreds place, and 69 means 6 is in tens place, which makes it 69 like this. This is the 69, and this makes it 969. In tens place, there is 6. Now when we come to thousands house, we see it is written 99,000. So 99,000 you write here in thousands house. Now here is 8 lakh. So you are going to write here 8 lakhs. In the lakhs house, there is 8 sitting over there. Okay. Now the next one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakhs. From the left, when I start 302, I see 302, then I guess that there is 3 in hundreds place because it is saying 300, and 2, that means there is nothing in tens place, so we will put a 0, and 2 means 2 is in ones place. After this I see 44,000. Going towards left, I see 44,000. That means 44,000 means 4 are sitting in the thousands house. 1 lakh. That means 1 is here in lakhs house. Okay. Next is 7,69,003. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakh. Start from the left, I see there is 7,69,003. That means after 1000 it is just 3. That means after this thousands house, nothing is there in hundreds and tens place. That means hundreds is empty, tens is empty, and only 3 is there in ones place, which is going to take its place here in this house. 3. Now in thousands house, it is written 69,000. So 69,000. This takes the thousands house. 7 lakh. So 7 will come in the lakhs place. So this is the way by which we write in words and we write in figures. Please follow my tips and watch the video very carefully. You will never have problem in life about writing in numbers or figures or words. You will never have problem. And after writing, after filling your this page and this page, I'll continue in my next video with the other exercises, that is question number 3 and 4, because this was 1 and 2. I'll continue. So please don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you.